Hello everyone, and thanks for joining us for this quick road assessment of John F. Kennedy Boulevard. Today, we'll take a deep dive into the current condition of John F. Kennedy Boulevard. We'll examine all potential problems and uncover any likely issues that you may face as you travel on John F. Kennedy Boulevard. Without further delay, let's dive in. John F. Kennedy Boulevard is in good condition. Currently, minor road cracks have been observed along John F. Kennedy Boulevard, primarily affecting the outer lanes and intersections. These cracks appear to be the result of natural wear and tear, including dramatic temperature fluctuations in Houston and regular traffic stress. While not currently posing significant hazards to drivers, the cracks could worsen if left unaddressed, potentially leading to more serious surface degradation. Also, several very visible road seams run along sections of John F. Kennedy Boulevard, particularly near lane divisions and expansion joints. While currently stable, the road seams may cause slight vibration for passing vehicles and could become more pronounced over time due to traffic volume and seasonal weather changes in Houston. Additionally, John F. Kennedy Boulevard does not include a designated road shoulder, which, while not required for this type of roadway in Houston, can present challenges for both drivers and emergency responders. The absence of a road shoulder limits safe space for disabled vehicles to pull over, reduces room for error in case of swerving, and can complicate access for maintenance or emergency services. Though the road meets current design standards, the lack of a road shoulder underscores the importance of cautious driving and may warrant future consideration as traffic demands in Houston evolve. Moreover, the faded road markings on John F. Kennedy Boulevard can create potential safety concerns for some drivers, especially in low visibility conditions such as rain, fog, or nighttime driving. Clear lane lines, crosswalks, and turn indicators are essential for guiding traffic, maintaining lane discipline, and preventing confusion at intersections. When these markings are worn or difficult to see, drivers may unintentionally drift between lanes, misturn lanes, or misjudge stopping points, increasing the risk of accidents. At the same time, many drivers will notice the road islands on John F. Kennedy Boulevard. The road islands serve to manage traffic flow and improve safety by guiding vehicle movement and separating lanes. However, they can also present challenges for drivers, particularly those unfamiliar with the area. Poor visibility, unclear signage, or tight turns around the islands may lead to sudden lane changes or hesitation, increasing the risk of minor collisions. In congested areas or during peak hours, these islands can also limit maneuverability for larger vehicles. Drivers are encouraged to stay alert, follow lane markings closely, and reduce speed when approaching these sections. Houston is on track to become the most populated city in America within the next 50 to 75 years, according to multiple projections. With this explosive growth comes massive changes to its already sprawling transportation network. Studying Houston's roads today offers a rare opportunity to observe how a major urban highway and street system evolves in real time. You get a glimpse into how Houston manages congestion to adopting new technologies like autonomous transit and smart infrastructure. Whether you're an urban planner, civil engineer, or just a curious observer, Houston is a living laboratory for the future of mobility in America. Did you know Houston, Texas is home to the widest freeway in the world? A section of Interstate 10 in Houston near the Galleria stretches up to 26 lanes wide. The lanes include the main lanes, the frontage roads, the HOV lanes, and toll lanes. Also, the skid marks and road grime are noticeable in several areas along John F. Kennedy Boulevard, indicating frequent hard braking and the buildup of oil, dirt, and debris from daily traffic. These conditions can reduce tire traction, especially during wet weather, potentially increasing the risk of skidding or longer stopping distances. For motorcyclists and cyclists, road grime can pose an even greater hazard due to reduced stability. And north of Beltway 8, drivers will encounter lots of airport traffic in and out of George Bush International Airport. The traffic congestion is a recurring issue, particularly during peak travel times and flight arrival or departure windows. This congestion can lead to significant delays for some drivers, especially those trying to catch flights at the last minute or navigate the area for airport pickups and drop-offs. The high volume of vehicles, combined with frequent lane changes and merging traffic, can increase the risk of minor collisions and driver frustration. In addition, and this one is huge, There is major construction underway on John F. Kennedy Boulevard within the grounds of George Bush Intercontinental Airport, impacting traffic flow and access in many areas. Lane closures, detours, and reduced speed limits are in effect, leading to potential delays for drivers navigating to and from the airport on John F. Kennedy Boulevard. Another issue is that John F. Kennedy Boulevard is very bumpy north of Beltway 8. Between Beltway 8 and Greens Road, the street is bumpy, and drivers are encouraged to drive with caution and patience.
Please keep in mind to check the trip channel before you travel to your next destination. The trip channel will help you plan smarter, safer routes. By checking the trip channel regularly, you can avoid rough or blocked roads, adjust your timing, and prepare for any challenges ahead. A few minutes of planning can save hours of frustration and help keep you and your passengers safe on every trip. Also, the trip channel isn't just for planning. It's also a great way to reconnect with streets you know and love, whether it's the route you took to school, the road to your favorite diner, or that scenic stretch you once drove at sunset. The trip channel lets you see what's changed and what stayed the same. Take a moment to reminisce and explore familiar paths from a fresh perspective. Sometimes the best trips are the ones down memory lane. And by the way, if there is a street that you want us to assess, please mention it in the comments section on this video. If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip Channel.